Welcome to today's full body workout, designed to help you build strength and boost your energy, all without any equipment. Let's jump right in and get moving. This workout is simple, effective, and perfect for any fitness level. Remember, take it at your own pace and focus on good form. One warm-up, 3 minutes. We'll start with a quick warm-up to get the blood flowing. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Jump your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then bring them back together. Keep a steady pace and breathe deeply. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. Stretch your arms out to the sides and make small circles. Gradually increase the size. Feel the tension releasing in your shoulders. High knees, 30 seconds. March or jog in place, bringing your knees up to waist level. Pump your arms for extra movement. Torso twist, 30 seconds. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Twist your upper body side to side. Engage your core for a deeper stretch. Now that we're warmed up, let's move into the workout. 2. Full body workout, 20 minutes. A. Squats, 3 sets of 12 reps. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by pushing your hips back as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest lifted and knees behind your toes. Press through your heels to stand back up. Tip: engage your core for extra balance. B. Push UPS, 3 sets of 10 reps. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on the floor. Lower your chest toward the floor, keeping your back flat and core tight. Push back up to the starting position. Modification: drop your knees if needed. C. Plank. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Get into a push-up position but rest on your forearms. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Tighten your abs and avoid letting your hips sag. Breathe steadily and focus on your form. D. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push through the front heel to return to standing. Switch legs. Tip: keep your upper body straight and shoulders relaxed. E. Superman hold, 3 sets of 20 seconds. Lie face down on the floor with arms and legs extended. Lift your arms, chest, and legs off the floor simultaneously. Hold the position, squeezing your back muscles. This move strengthens your lower back. F. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Get into a push-up position. Alternate bringing your knees toward your chest as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and move quickly. Feel the burn in your core and legs. 3. Cool down, 5 minutes. We'll end with a relaxing cool down to stretch out those muscles and lower your heart rate. A. Forward fold stretch, 30 seconds. Stand tall, then bend forward at the hips and let your hands reach toward the floor. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. B. Child's pose, 30 seconds. Kneel on the floor and sit back on your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you and rest your forehead on the ground. Feel the release in your back and shoulders. C. Cat-cow stretch, 30 seconds. Start on all fours. Arch your back up like a cat, then lower it and lift your head like a cow. Move slowly and match your breath to the movement. D. Seated forward fold, 30 seconds. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Reach forward toward your toes while keeping your back straight. Feel the stretch along your hamstrings. Final words. Congratulations! You've completed a full body workout using nothing but your own body weight. Remember, consistency is key, and it's okay to modify as needed. Keep coming back to build strength and boost your fitness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking for a simple and effective workout. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.